Okay, it's been too long. I apologize. I am so bad at making videos. Okay, what's new? Nothing really. We have the H1224 kind of hooked up yet, but not set to anything. I can kind of show it later. S1224A. We have a TD135 System Center 1400A. I know I've teased this like 8,000 times. This is a resettable fixed heat detector, and we're actually going to set it off today. BG10, case of fire, 4251. Pretty sure it's a 425130, but it doesn't have the glass part, so let's get on with it, shall we? We haven't done the BG10 in a long time. South Pole. I know it sounds raspy as hell, but that's because I have this one taped as per usual. I don't want to be too loud here. It's just for fun. Reset this. If you notice, I didn't reset the panel, so we can pull this again. It won't do shit. Oh, conventional systems. Actually, an adjustable would do the same thing, depending on the system. Depending on it. Let's realign with the 4251. All right. Let's reset. Don't know why I'm wasting time resetting when the Fireshield takes 8,000 years, but whatever. Gives me time to get my smoke. Let's just not mind the mess that is up here. Quick little collection shelf. My shitty labels. Alright, cool. Can't remember what I had in the last video, but I know it wasn't this. It might have been the one. No, I don't know. Yeah, whatever. Just rambling at this point. Come on. It'll go. System Sensor makes some really good smoke detectors. Great. I want to give that a bit because it's, well, both of the things are going to take a while to reset. Actually, we can just blow the fuck out of this. It's probably fine. Okay. I think I am going to show off the alert one. I don't have anything connected to it. I really am looking for... I know I could just throw a push button in, but if I could get like some sort of like STI push button, that sounds really bad. Or a blue pull station, or just something that isn't necessarily a fire alarm pull station. I'm gonna put it somewhere along here, but I know my board's getting kind of fucking full. Might be soon to do the wall, but we'll come back to that later. Essentially, this is just a supervisory, though. I gotta figure out where I'm going. 10. There we go. So that's just on chime, whatever the hell. And it's just wired as a supervisory. So you can just program that zone to be whatever you want. Technically, I don't think you're supposed to do that. I can't remember. You would think I know. This is like kind of my job, but... okay. Let's wait for this to reset. We're going to do the fun part. After Jake's Ramble City. All right, we're clear. So like I said, this is a Mircom TD135. It is a resettable fixed temperature heat detector. So I know most people are pretty familiar with the CR135. I know I've shown this off a few times. This is your standard rate of rise combination fixed temperature heat detector, where if it goes, the temperature increases too fast too quickly, it, for lack of a better term, shorts the circuit. And if it gets too hot, i.e. over 135 degrees, as it says right there, if it gets too hot, then fusible link breaks. It's kind of similar to how a sprinkler operates, except it's metal, not glass. There's solder holding it in. And then there's obviously ones that are those that are fixed temperature only, but on the same principle. Like once it activates above 135 degrees, it don't work anymore. You got to replace it. And there's no real way to functional test them. So they have these things. It's called TD135, as I said 8,000 times. It's just the fixed temp part, but you can reset them. The only problem is they take a while to reset. So I got my pyro pen heating up here. We're just going to put this on here. You're going to hear it click eventually. There you go. Okay. So I'm not resetting the panel right away. The thing about these, as nice as they are, they take a while to reset. We can't just hit reset on the panel. It's not going to reset. It's just how the technology is. These are all mechanical heat detectors, so they aren't actually sensing any temperature at all. It's just the mechanical device inside here that warms up and then shorts a circuit. But this just takes a while to go back down to earth. So we're going to take our totally not alcoholic beverage here, kind of put it on here and see if this will help. The same thing, you'll hear it click again. Actually, while we're waiting for that, let's reset this. So I could, oh, it just went anyways. There we go. Me when I don't plan out a video properly. Anyways, sorry this one was a bit longer. Thank you guys all for watching. We'll see you in the next one, if it ever happens.